Hello everyone! For today's floral eye design, I'm going to use a Tag 1 Stroke 3D leaf and my 3/4 inch flat brush. And then I'm going to take the dark side down and sweep it right across my eyelid. Now I'd like to bring that color up a little further, so I'm going to take the light green and just sweep it right underneath my eyebrow. And then with the dark side up, light side down, I'm going to sweep it right across my eyebrow. And then with the dark side on the outside, I'm going to make 3 little loops. Don't worry about filling those in. We're going to be covering them with some flowers. I'm going to take the dark side down, sweep it right across the top of my cheek. Then I'm going to find my Flora brush and my DFX white. I'm going to load up my brush really well. Go right up to that ferrule. Now I'm going to take a dark green, load my brush about a quarter way, and then tip it in black. You'll see that my brush is loaded with 3 different colors. So always practice on your hand. You want to test it out before you go to anyone's face. And then I'm going to lay a beautiful 5-petal flower. Real simple. I'm going to bring some petals right down to the top of my cheek and then right over my eyebrow. Now you'll find that sometimes putting a flower on top of dark colors, they'll become muted. So I'm going to load my brush up one more time. Again, white, green, tip it in black, test it on my hand, and then go over exactly what I just did, just to brighten up those colors. And then I see some empty space here, so I'm going to fill that in with a few extra petals. Next, I'm going to find my liner and some black, load up my brush, add some pretty swirls, just to fill in the empty space. Then a few teardrops. Again, I don't like to see empty space, I want to see it filled. Then I'm going to fill in a little bit more. Just lay my brush down and flick, just to add some interest. Next, I'm going to grab my DFX white and my 5-inch round. Load that brush up, and we're going to add some dots. Again, wherever you'd like to fill in the space, adds a little more interest. And the last step, my favorite, glitter. I love adding glitter to any floral design. I'm going to grab my Pixie Paint Gold and my filbert brush. I love using the filbert brush. It gives me a little more control. I can sweep it wherever I want. As you can see, I do love glitter. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day.